lay down in Shavasana, the dead man's pose. Your body stretched out, feet apart, the palms of the hands turned upwards and your eyes closed. Make all the necessary adjustments that you need so that you are as comfortable as possible. There should be no movement, neither conscious nor unconscious. Remember that you are about to practice Yoga Nidra, the psychic sleep, and that you have only to maintain awareness of hearing and feeling. The body sleeps, but the mind remains awake. You must remain alert so that you do not sleep. Say to yourself mentally, I will not sleep. I will remain awake. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe in, feel coolness and calmness spreading throughout the body. As you breathe out, feel your cares and worries flowing out of you, dropping away. Become aware of your body and relax yourself completely. Make yourself physically calm and steady. Feel that the legs are relaxed, the trunk, the head, the arms and hands relax. Develop the awareness of your physical body, right from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. And say in your mind, Om. Complete awareness of the whole body. Say to yourself again, Om. Relax your whole body mentally. Relax yourself mentally. Relax yourself by breathing normally and becoming aware of the breath as it moves between the navel and throat. Awareness of your natural breath, no forcing. Navel to throat breathing. Please go on with this awareness and slowly feel yourself becoming even more relaxed. Now leave your breathing and become aware that you are going to practice Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra begins now. And now is the time to make your resolve. Be consistent. Plant your resolve at one place and do not change it. Certainly the resolve will come true if the soil is perfect. Repeat your resolve with feeling and awareness 3 times in the mind. Awareness of the parts of the body. The consciousness should move around the body and keep on moving. As it moves, it changes into prana, the vital energy, in the form of a current of energy. Do not concentrate on any one part, but let your mind jump freely from one part to the next. Practice always starts from the right side of the body. right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, right thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole, top of the right foot, right toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm of the left hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, left thigh, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, heel, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, left toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the front of the body. Go to the top of the head. Top of the head, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows. Right eyelid, left eyelid. Right eye, left eye. Right ear, left ear. Right nostril, left nostril. Right cheek, left cheek. Upper lip, lower lip, chin, jaw, throat. Right collarbone, left collarbone. Right chest, left chest. Middle of the chest, navel, upper abdomen, lower abdomen. Right groin, left groin. Right thigh, left thigh. Right knee, left knee. Right toes, left toes. Now the major parts of the body. The whole of the right leg, whole of the left leg, both legs together. The whole of the right arm, whole of the left arm, both arms together. The whole body together. The whole body, whole body, whole body together. Visualize the whole body. Intensify your awareness. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Think of an ocean. Think of a dark blue ocean and become aware of the waves. That ocean lies between the inner space, the Chitta-Kasha, and the rolling waves represent sleep, the manifesting unconscious state of your mind. Become aware of sleep and try to visualize this state of unconsciousness within you, like waves on an ocean. Above is a beautiful blue sky, and below is the vast ocean with infinite waves, the manifesting process of unconsciousness. Now ask yourself, what am I thinking? Do not think, but become aware of the spontaneous thought process. Become a witness, do not suppress any thought. Try to witness your thoughts and ask yourself again and again, what am I thinking? At the same time, maintain total awareness of any thought that is passing through the visible frame of your consciousness. Intensify your awareness, intensify your awareness, and go to an infinite ocean, calm and quiet. And try to discover a sound there. There is a sound, an infinite ocean, dark green jungles on the shore, snakes, lions and goats living in friendliness. From the shore, a path leads to a lonely cottage in the jungle, and the yogi is sitting outside in lotus pose. There is a fire and the smell of incense, the fragrance of flowers and an atmosphere of serenity. All around can be heard the sound of home, the chanting of home over the infinite ocean. Now become a witness of your awareness, not the body, not the senses, not the mind, nothing but the different awareness. Become aware that you are observing yourself. Look within and try to be aware of the one who is looking, who is aware of what you have been doing so far. Go into Chidakasha, that infinite space behind your forehead. Go into the cave of Chidakasha. Within that cave there is a flaming light. Find that light. Find that light and find a small golden egg in the center of the light. A small golden egg, very bright, with light all around. Resolve, resolve, resolve. Now you should remember your resolve and repeat it mentally 3 times with maximum feeling and awareness. Repeat your sankalpa 3 times in the night. Now it's time to release all efforts and bring your attention to your natural breath. The natural breath flowing in and out of the nostrils. Maintain your awareness of the breath and at the same time develop your awareness of physical relaxation. Awareness of relaxation and awareness of your physical existence. Become aware of the physical existence of your body. Intensify your awareness of your body and visualize your body laying on the floor. Take your mind out and visualize the surrounding space you are currently in. Let your mind become completely external. Do not open your eyes. You are practicing Yoga Nidra. Just become aware of that. Lay quietly until your attention is completely externalized. And when you feel ready, you can start moving your body and stretching yourself. Please take your time. There is no hurry to do anything. When you are sure that you are wide awake, sit up slowly and gently open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Hari Om Tat Sat.